Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harika. My role is grandmother. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sarita. My role is Meena. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kartik. My role is Sai. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ashi. My role is Vada. I am shopkeeper. Children, will you go to corner shop for me? Of course. You can walk to the shop. Yes, ma'am. It's not far. Be careful when you cross the road. Can we have there? Stop. Sugarcane 1 kg, bread 1 love, candles 1 packet, 3 toothpaste. Water for market. They are marigold seed, a bright yellow flower. Thus we can buy 1 bucket. Good habit, shall we buy them? It is his grandmother's birthday tomorrow. Yes, we can buy 1 bucket. See, one packet costs is 1 rupee.